Hello friends, my name is Chetan Vadadia and today we are going to solve MCQs of NCERT Exemplar chapter number 3 pair of linear equation with two variables from NCERT Exemplar. And one more thing I want to tell you guys, I have also started 1000 MCQs for CBSE class 10th board examination preparation on Unacademy app. So you can join me there also. Here on YouTube I can only teach you, but and if you want to give answer also in live classes, 10 second or 15 second back is going on. So on Unacademy I can give you poll, you can click on the correct answer and I can get how many of you had given correct answer. We can get score also in that. So you can join me on Unacademy app also for free classes, guys. How you can join me on Unacademy? Let me tell you, just you need to download Unacademy app, register with your mobile number, select the course CBSE class 10th, or if you are in class 9th then select class 9th or 8th, and then you need to search. My profile name is Chetan Vadadia. So search my profile name, it is written below my photo also, Chetan Vadadia. You need to search and click on the follow button, guys, and after that they will ask you for free classes. You need to use my code CVCV, Chetan Vadadia CVCV. So if you will give this code, then you can join my free classes. I am going to teach in Hindi and English both language on Unacademy app. So here this is my channel of English, so I am going to teach everything in English only, but on Unacademy app I am going to teach in Hindi also, guys. And if you want to go for paid classes, that is also possible. If you will use my code, then you will get 10% discount. But if you are ready to pay, then and only then go with this. Otherwise you can join in my free classes also, guys. Use this code and join my free classes also. Just search this Chetan Vadadia name on the app and click on the follow button. So now let us start without wasting much time. Question number 1 from NCERT Exemplar, graphically the pair of equation this. So here they told you to do graphically, but I am going to tell you that we can do it directly. So we are going to do directly. Why? Because in MCQ section no need of showing them solutions. In examination also you don't have to show solutions, so you can solve this by any method and click on the correct answer. Now here we are going to first find out a1 by a2. So ratio, this is 6 by 2, that will be 3 by 2 1. Sorry, if you will cancel this, 2 1s are 2, 3s are 3 by 1. Now b1 by b2, minus 3 by minus 1, minus minus will get cancelled, 3 by 1. Now we are going to find c1 by c2, and here that is 10 by 9. We cannot cancel anything, so these are co-prime numbers, so directly 10 by 9. Now here we are getting that a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2, but that is not equals to c1 upon c2. So this condition implies parallel line. Parallel line means no solution. So this is your correct answer, guys. Let us go for the next question. Question number 2. The pair of linear equation this and this have which type of solution? So first you need to again do that same procedure, a1 by a2. So just you need to understand that the standard form of this linear pair of with two variable is this. So term with x is your a1. So here 1 and your a2 is minus 3. So nothing, we cannot cancel anything, so keep it that only. Now b1 by b2, here we are getting 2 by this 2 b1, and this b2 is minus 6. So again we can cancel, 2 1s are 2 3s are, this is 1 by minus 3. Now c1 by c2, that is 5 by 1. So again same condition we are getting here also. a1 by a2 is not is equals to b1 by b2, but is not equals to c1 by c2. So again same parallel lines, but when you are having parallel lines, how many solutions you will get? You will get no solution. So sometimes they will ask you parallel lines or not, sometimes they will ask you that you will get solution or not, sometimes they will ask you whether the equations are consistent or inconsistent. So every time you need to keep in mind that every time you need to use the same method. Let us go with question number 3. If the pair of linear equation is consistent, then the lines will be. Now when we can say the lines are consistent, when we are getting intersecting line, at that time means we are getting one solution. Intersecting lines, one solution means we are getting some solution. When we are getting some solution, at that time we can say consistent. So one condition is intersecting. Now for coincident line also, coincident lines means two lines having the same trait. Here we are getting infinite solution. In infinite solution also we can say the equations are consistent, or the graph or the line is consistent. So in both these conditions you will get consistent. So here intersecting or coincident, C will come. In both these conditions we are getting consistent line. So these two conditions we need to keep in mind. Moving towards question number 4, guys. The pair of equation y equals to 0 and y equals to -7 has how many solutions? Let me tell you. Y equal to 0. If you are going to find out 4 solutions, let me explain you in detail. What will become your this equation? Actually this equation will be like this: 0x plus y is equals to 0. So any terms you will keep here 1, then also y will be 0. If you are taking 2, then also y will be 0. 3, then also y will be 0. 4, then also y will be 0. So which line you will get here? If you are taking any term and your y 0, then you will get, let me use some another color so that you will understand. This is your line. Yes, this will be the same line of y equals to 0. Sorry. Now y equals to -7. Again the same condition, same solution. This will be 0x plus y equals to -7. So whatever term you need to keep in x, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, in all the conditions your y will be -7. Sorry guys. So here 1 and -7 will come somewhere here. So here you will get a line like this for y equals to -7. Now are these two lines intersecting? No, these two lines are parallel. And if parallel, how many solutions we will get? We will get no solution. So just keep this in mind when you are having linear pair, or you can say one term is there, linear pair with one term. Actually you can convert it into two terms also and then solve and make line like this. Okay, moving towards the next one. The pair of equation x equals to a and y equals to b graphically. Let me tell you how you actually, these are few important things that you need to keep in mind. Here you can see x equals to a. So what about y? Actually you can write down this as x plus 0y, 0 multiplied with y is equals to a. Whatever value you will keep of y, multiply with 0, every time you will get x as a only, any term. So I'm just taking a somewhere here. Suppose your a is here, then what you will get, your x equals to a will give you this line. Let me make some imaginary. X equals to a will give you this type of. Similarly y equals to b. For y equals to b you need to make like this. You will get a line like this. Suppose here or somewhere here or here, anywhere, but I am taking just to show you, and both this line will intersect here. So now here these two lines are intersecting. They had not told you 0, any term is there. So here you will get intersecting line at point A, always first x then y. So here you will get a comma b. So intersecting lines at a comma b. Please keep this in mind. These are the main things. Whenever any one term is there, other term you need to take it with 0, and if you will try to solve this, every time you will get one line, straight line, and that will be parallel to either x-axis or y-axis. Here you can say first line is parallel to x-axis, second line parallel to y axis. Sometimes both line will be parallel to each other also. Okay, again same thing guys, I am taking here. What happens, you can see guys, you cannot ask me doubt here. I also cannot get any answer from your side, but on an academic app you can ask me doubt also, I can help you with the doubt also. So join me guys on an academy app, download with an academy app, download, register with mobile number, select the course CBSE class 10th or 9 whatever you are studying in, and use my code CBCV for free classes. Okay guys, and follow me on my profile name is Chetan Wadaria, you can follow me there guys. Moving towards the next question, question number 6. For what value of k do the equation this and this represent coincident line? Coincident lines means two lines having the same track, and this condition can be made when a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. In this condition only we can say that we will get coincident line. So here a1 upon a2 3 by 6 should be equals to minus 1 by minus k. Let us cancel this and k ones are, and this 2 1 by 2, take this k here and 2 here, so directly we are getting k equals to 2. So here option number C. Okay, this all questions are of NCERT exemplar only guys. Moving towards next question, question number 7. If the lines this and this are parallel, already they inform us parallel, so parallel, that's why a1 upon a2 will be equals to b1 upon b2, but that will not be equals to c1 upon c2, right? So now just follow, 3 by 2 should be equals to 2k upon 5. Let me take this here, 5 3s are 15, and let me take this 2 here, this will go here, this will go here, 5 3s are 15, this 2 2s are 4 equals to k. You can see easily we are getting 15 by 4 as your answer. Simple, 15 by 4. Moving towards next question, question number 8. The value for C for which the pair of linear equations of this and this have infinitely many solutions. Again, infinitely many solutions. So a1 upon a2 should be equals to b1 upon b2 should be equals to c1 upon c2. Look here. Now here what will be the problem and why students are making mistake? Actually they just check this and try to find out. Let me tell you here what type of answer will come. First you need to understand here, this c upon a2 is 6, and now c1 there, okay, b1 is minus 1, b2 is minus 2, this is minus 2, and c you can take on this side. Let me make it in the standard form, cx minus y minus 2 equals to 0, and other equation cx minus 2y minus 3 equals to 0. First you need to arrange it in standard form. Now minus 2 by minus 3, this you can cancel, but one condition is there. Here you can put any terms on C. If you want to put, you can compare with this, and you need to compare with this also, and every time you need to get same answer. Are these two equal? Here b1 upon b2 is not equals to c1 upon c2. So if you try to put any term here, either that will be equal to b1 upon b2 or either that will be equals to c1 upon c2. That cannot be equal to both this, because here the ratios are different. So actually this is impossible. Actually we cannot do this. So one more option is given to you, no value. We cannot complete this as infinitely many solution by just putting value of c from any of these terms, or either these two should be equal. Here these two are not equal, so we cannot find out or make infinitely many solution with this equation. This should be same. then and only if these two are same I can make this equals to this two, then and only I can find out the value of this. But actually here these two are not equal, so no value. Directly we can say this condition is not possible only. Moving towards next question, guys. Question number 9. One equation of a pair of dependent linear equation is minus 5x plus 7y equals to 2. Dependent linear. Dependent means what? Which condition will come in dependent? Let me tell you. When you are having intersecting line, one solution, that is consistent. Coincident line, infinite solution, that is also consistent, plus that is dependent also. So here coincident lines we should get, and the condition will be a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. All these three should be equal. So you can see here double is there, so let me say if I will do this, multiply with 2, minus 10x, and this will be plus 7 2s are 14y, and this will be 4 2 4. So this type of equation, if you will take this on that side, first let me check, minus plus, but here if I am taking this, this will become negative, so this will not work. Minus 10, okay, but there minus 14, so this will also not work. Okay, I think we can do like this also. I think let me change, if one positive one negative, that way also we can work, because any option is not matching with this condition, right? Here if I will compare, let me write down minus 5x plus 7y minus 2 equals to 0. So either this will come like minus 10x plus 14y minus 4 equals to 0. Any condition matching this, if you will take, then also this will not work. This will also minus 10 plus 14 minus, this is also not working, this is also not working. So directly this double condition is not working. So what I am going to do, minus 5x plus 7y equals to 2. So let me write down as minus 2 equals to 0. Now negative positive I will do. If this is negative, can I say this will be positive, this positive, this negative double, and this negative. So let me take it positive. Can you see any such type of yes, here 10x minus 14y plus 4 equals to 0. You can see this condition is matching. Every time you will get minus 1 by 2. Here in denominator 1 by minus 2, both these are same only, and here also you can see minus 1 by 2. So this condition is matching, so your answer is D. Please keep this in mind. Generally what happen, we just see the double sign and follow, but sometimes what happen, both negative, then this will become plus, but here one negative one positive, one negative one positive, that way also you can solve. So this is your final answer, guys. Moving towards the last question of this, question number 10. A pair of linear equation which has a unique solution x equals to 2 and y equals to minus 3 is. Now here this question is very lengthy, and here you need to put these values on the place of x and y. Let me check. LHS of first 2 plus minus 3 should be, this is LHS and equals to RHS. So here you are getting minus 1, and here also minus 1. So this is matching. Now let us go with the second equation of A. 2 into 2 minus 3 into minus 3. So here you will get 4 plus 9, and RHS is minus 5. So are this matching? No, these are not matching, so this will not work. So first, not possible. Let us go with the second. B. LHS 2 into 2 plus 5 into minus 3 and RHS. So that is already given to you, minus 11. So let us see, 4 minus 50 minus 11. Okay, here also minus 11. So this matching. So this condition is working. Let us go with the next one here. 4 into 2 plus 10 into, here one problem is there that I want to explain. That's why I had selected this question, minus 22 on that side this LHS and that RHS. So 8 minus 30 minus 22 on both these sides. So this is your correct answer. But guys, don't think that every time you will get only one option out of four. Here one big problem is there, guys. Actually this is correct, and yes, D is also correct. Here also you will get LHS is equals to RHS. Let us keep and check. Let me tell you, this X is 2 minus 4 into minus 3 minus 14 should be equals to RHS 0. Let us see whether we are getting no 2 minus minus plus 12 minus 14 minus 14 0. You can see LHS 0, RHS 0. So this is working. Now here 5 into 2 minus minus 3 minus 13 and RHS 0. Let us see 10 minus minus plus 3 minus 13 minus 13 0, and here also 0. So both these answers are correct. Sometimes in board you can say two possible answers are there. So please keep in mind, every time you need to check all the options either you are getting. Still you need to check, guys. If you are having time, please try to check in both this condition. If this question comes in board examination and if you correct take B or D, in both these conditions you will get marks. In B also you will get marks. If you click on D, or if you highlight on D, then also you will get mark, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, guys, you can join me for my free live classes on Unacademy app. What are you waiting for, guys? Still, if you are having any problem, this is my Telegram ID @ChetanPTL1. Just send me hi on this. I will add you in my Telegram group also. This is my Telegram ID, guys. You can join me here also, and my code is CVCV. Don't forget to use this code on Unacademy app, guys. Thank you so much for being with me. Bye, guys. All the students of India, USA, Canada, UK, Australia and other countries can join me for more videos.